Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to start a private match with bots in Counter-Strike 2. Okay, first things first, launch CS2 and start CS2 on your computer. Access then the play menu, and in the menu of CS2, just click on play. From the menu, just choose the practice option. In here, you will be able to add if you want to make a custom game or play with unrated with bots. Choose then the game mode that you want, which is the play with bots, and you can select from various game modes for your private session. After that, just pick the map you want to play on during your private session, and once you have finalized everything, just don't forget to start your game, and after configuring all the settings to your liking, click the Go button to create your private session with the bots. And as simple as it is, hopefully this solves your question. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now start a private match with bots in Counter-Strike 2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.